Hey guys, today I want to talk about losses, and if you don't like it, don't listen, right? It's difficult, it sucks, everybody hates it when they lose money, but we gotta find a way to deal with it, especially if you've set your mind to being a successful trader. I'll take this week for example, right? This week is the week of May 21st. I had like three trades this week. I think it was in oil and then a couple in the S&P. That was, they were really bad. Like not to the point that I lost like thousands, but I lost in total about $4,000 on three trades across three trades. But as a thing, so three trades did pretty badly. But okay, I traded the other stuff, and I was able to, of course, make it back and still be very positive for the week. So I'm a multi-asset trader, so I trade forex, futures, cryptos, and stocks, and of course options. So trading oil in the S&P, I got hit, but if you were looking at the market, if you trade stocks, you saw Tesla go from 291 to 275 this week so far, and you've seen the S&P pull back, and you've seen a lot of forex pairs also pull back. So what am I trying to say, right? So everybody has this thing, and it's a natural human impulse to correct our mistakes, right? So when we have a loss, our automatic, or automatic biological response is to try to make that back. So basically, make back the losses that we made in trading. So i.e., it's called revenge trade, and usually people who revenge trade even end up losing more money, right? There's very few that I know, not even myself, but there's very few that I know who can make a very bad day, positive. Really few people I know. And these are the most resilient, emotionless people I know in this life. Okay? So, how did I make back the money? I've always accepted over the years of trading that I am going to have bad trades. And that's not going to make me suddenly switch up my trading style or change the way I trade because I had some bad trades. I still do the same thing. I still, trade the system that I have, and I haven't had a negative week or a negative month. And that's the simple truth, right? So most people, what they do, especially the ones who have already been whose confidence has already been knocked out, is they start changing something. They probably see something or they probably hear about something, they switch to that, and then that's when things really go badly, because then they start doubting their own trading systems, right? So that's how I cope. I mean, if you are able to make back your money on some weird method that you do or use, God bless, that's nice, that's nicely done. But if you find yourself relating to what I'm saying, and you're one of those people who really are struggling to recover losses, really go back to the drawing board and think about what you're doing. Is it, look at the overall picture. Is it your system, or is it you specifically, like you mentally or emotionally or whatever? Because it's going to be one or the other, or it could be both, right? My own system, I never got it to be perfect until maybe 1 or 2 years into trading. But that's the thing. I was patient enough to really develop my craft. In this new age of wanting things done right away, that's where people really get screwed over in trading, because they think they can just master this stuff overnight or over a course of a month. It's not. And I mentor a lot of people. Again, I'm not advertising anything, but I'm just saying to you specifically that I mentor a lot of people who are struggling in trading. And again, that's something that I always tell them, that you gotta let time run its course. You gotta let your skills and experience. You gotta experience this stuff, because experience and time is the greatest teacher of all, right? Pain. They always say pain is also the greatest teacher of all. Problem is, again, if you have if you're down to your last $10,000 and you lose that all, that's not gonna be only painful. That's suicidal, right? So you gotta find a way to learn, develop, improve, at the same time not committing too much capital that you're going to end up losing a lot of money. Okay, so I hope that helps you, something to think about. And yeah, I hope, trading continues to be very nice for you.